Hi, good afternoon, both of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, Sunny. Hi, Riyansh. Hi, Riyansh. Ishani, how are you doing?
Ma'am, I'm doing fine. How are you doing?
I am also doing great, Ishani. Thank you so much for asking that. So what's new, Ishani? Anything new?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Vivansh. How are you, Vivansh?
Fine, ma'am. Good
Fine.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Riyansh. How are you doing, Riyansh?
I'm fine.
Okay, open your camera, all of you. Let me see how you all small people are looking. Okay, what's new? Anything new to share with me? Nope.
Ma'am, actually, I built a new mix.
You built a what?
Before I made that giant human kind of thingy, now I made it more better.
More better. Okay, so that drone has flown up, drone flew away, I think. That drone, that giant kind of thingy you made, the drone has flew away, I think. No. Does it fly now? Vivansh, have you gone to bring it? Hello. So, oh, it's gigantic. You know how it is like, I honestly, I will tell you how it's looking like to me. So you might have seen some constructions area, right? So there are big cranes. And there I have seen this type of structure. Those, I don't know what are those called, but those
Ma'am,
lift the big things, the big
ma'am, that
structure.
really, ma'am, should I tell you what it is?
What is
Ma'am,
it?
it really is. Ma'am, it's a TV man. Ma'am, Titan TV man.
It's a
No,
Titan
it's
TV.
not a
Okay.
TV man anymore. It became no, the TV man broke, and now I made it a new one.
Okay, he made a new one. Yeah, in the last class he showed us the small version of the same thing.
Yes, ma'am. That
Now,
is this. But it had a TV head, but now I changed the head.
yeah, yeah. Where
And
did it?
because that one broke, and I made that one more gigantic.
Where did that drone went? I mean, you had that drone also with that man, I think.
Yes, ma'am. That broke little bit. I'll show.
Oh, Rayan, did you do any other experiment with your?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
became little
Oh,
small.
yeah. Rayansh, did you do any other experiment with your microscope? Did you have
Ma'am,
all
ma'am,
that?
this.
What is that?
It's some kind of chemical. Ma'am, it's something. It's a chemical. It's a Rakhi. No.
In fact, yeah, it's looking like Rakhi to me as well. To me also.
Not
What
all
is it?
Rakhi. Now in this inside, this is the this
Chemical.
inside. Yes, ma'am.
What is this chemical for?
Ma'am, I don't know what. Okay. Ma'am, I know it. I know it,
Chemical
ma'am.
is
Ma'am,
what
I
is
know
it?
it. I know it, ma'am.
What is it?
It's when like you will keep it. Then when you keep it on your hand, do like this. It will become like a spiral.
No, 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 no. It's not that is spiral. I know that is spiral. It's not that. He is saying that
Then
it is kind of chemical which he might use in his microscope, isn't it, Rayansh? That chemical is for your
yes, ma'am.
microscope, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do I feel that it is kind of dye? I mean, it's kind of some color.
Ma'am, it is. It's yellow color.
See, Shani has a Rakhi. She has brought Rakhi.
Ma'am, it's not a Rakhi.
Yeah, we know it's not a Rakhi, but it's actually looking like a Rakhi to us in on camera.
Yes,
Rans, I know
ma'am.
what it is. I know that's a chemical for coloring the specimen. If you
Yes,
want
ma'am. I
to
know that.
see something under the
Uh,
microscope, actually, but that is crayon. That's
yes, ma'am.
crayon.
But it's still colors.
Those are colors.
Colors.
Yeah. So now we have one more student joined here, our very own Siddhant. Hi, Siddhant.
Ma'am, in the first class, there was one girl, right?
Yeah, there was one girl, Samriddhi. I think no, her name was not Samriddhi. What was her name, Vivansh?
Ma'am, her name was Samriddhi only.
Her name was Samriddhi only. Yeah, she
Yes,
was
ma'am.
with you in your
Math class.
math class. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she joined one day, one or two classes, I think so.
Ma'am, she joined 2 classes.
Yeah, I
Yes, ma'am.
don't know where she went.
Ma'am, I think she left.
Yeah, I
Ma'am,
don't
by the
know.
way, she's still in classes.
Okay. Maybe her time is not suiting, or maybe she has shifted to some other class, because I think her time is not suiting.
Ma'am,
Our 2 p.m.
ma'am, I think she always forget.
I know. How can a child forget? I mean, their parents are always there to make them remind.
Ma'am, last time I literally forgot.
How
About,
can?
ma'am, I had a bankers class yesterday.
Yeah.
I forgot it. I was like, I was like watching TV continuously.
Wow.
But yesterday was Friday, not.
Ma'am,
All of
ma'am,
you
do you know
should-
what my routine is? Ma'am,
all
I
of-
have one class. I do one class, then I go for my sports class. I have two sports classes, tennis and football, ma'am.
Ma'am, I go to tennis also.
You also go to tennis.
I was going for badminton, but now I stopped going.
So all of you have so many, activities in a day. You should make a routine and you should make a timetable and paste
Ma'am,
it
I
somewhere.
always
So that is
make a
important.
timetable.
And yet you forget and you watch TV continuously. Hi, Naisha. Siddhant, can you please respond, Siddhant? Naisha, hi. Naisha, can you please open your camera? Let me see. Siddhant, you also please open your camera. Let me see if your beards have come yet or not.
Ma'am, they have come.
Oh, Siddhant is merrily is in for first
Ma'am?
grade. Yeah.
Ma'am, what if we just talk and it's 3:15 and then we just have to end the class?
We anyway have to end the class when it is supposed to be. We can talk. I can arrange one more class. I mean, to just talk. We'll have one class. I'll ask the team to arrange a class so that we will talk that day. So Siddhant, if you please can respond to us. And this is chapter 10 that is we are going to see today. Its name is analogy. So that
Ma'am,
also
how many
means
chapters I don't know a part of analogy, but I heard it before.
I think Ishani there are 16 chapters. I think so.
Ma'am, by which our 10th one? Ma'am, but I think there are 18.
18. Okay, great. We'll see 18 then. So we that also means that we have completed 9.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Naisha. Naisha, how are you doing? Naisha, how are you doing?
I
Open
am
your camera.
fine.
You're fine. So many days I didn't see you. Can you open your camera? Does it open? I mean, can you open it? Is it
Yes, ma'am.
working?
That can open, I know. Last
No,
time.
no. Last time she
Ma'am,
did.
your voice is lagging.
My voice is lagging. Is it lagging to all of you?
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
Naisha. Naisha, maybe there is some network problem on your side. Wait for some time. It will be fine. Network fluctuates sometime. Siddhant, we are still waiting for you. Chalo, let's not waste the time and start with the topic. Analogy we are looking at today, we are seeing today. And what is analogy first of all? Understand what is analogy. Analogy means the two words will be given to you or whatever words are given to you. So analogy can be of two types first of all. Analogy can be can be verbal analogy and analogy can also be non-verbal analogy. Non-verbal analogy. Okay. So verbal analogy is where you will be given words. Non-verbal is where you will be given pictures. Why all of your camera is off? Keep your cameras on. So non-verbal analogy where pictures will be given to you. Okay. Now, so suppose if two numbers are given to us, suppose 2 and 3 are given. You have to find out what is the relation between 2 and 3. And so you have to tell the next number here in the
Ma'am,
second
5.
pair. Of course, 5. So the relation between 2 and 3 is that these both are consecutive numbers. Meaning consecutive means one after the other. Just immediately. Right? So you just have to tell the next number which comes after 4. So that should be 5. Okay. So we are going to cover alphabet based questions of analogy, analogous pair based analogy questions, number based questions of analogy, analogy of figures. This is non-verbal analogy. Non-verbal. Something which we cannot talk. Pictures, we can't talk pictures, right? We only can see pictures. So this is non-verbal analogy. And then lastly, we'll see the chocolate question. We are starting with the first question here. See, here the explanation is also given to us because we are just starting to learn now. Okay, so let's not answer the answer. Look at the question. AE is equals to AE is 2, not equals to. AE is 2, is 2. These two dots are called is 2. And the four dots here are called as. So AE is to DH as TF will be to what? Now, first of all, so you will find out how AE and DH are related to each other. Okay? AE, DH. So what is the number equivalent of A? Like what is the serial number of A in the alphabet? 1. And for D it is 4.
Ma'am,
So
4
A plus
numbers afterward.
not. So you will do plus 3 actually. We are doing plus 3. Okay. And E is the 5th letter. H is the 8th letter. 5 plus 3, 8. That's what we are doing today. That's what we are doing here. Okay. Same thing we'll do for TF and TF is to what? So to what is the number equivalent of T? Anyone? I mean, what is
Ma'am,
the serial
20.
number of T? 20. For T, it's 20. So 20 plus 3 will do. That means 23. 23 is for? 23 is for 3
Ma'am,
vertex. W. You see, W has 3 vertex. 3 vertices. Huh? So W. T will be related to W. Eliminate out your options from here. So either B or C will be our answer. Then for F, it is 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. So 9 is for which letter? It's for I. So that's why our answer will be WI. Focus on understanding more than the correct answer. Don't focus on the correct answer. Focus on what is the logic here. If you can find out the logic, your
Ma'am,
answer
it's
will
D.
always be correct. Again, Vivansh, don't look at the correct answer here. If you will give
Ma'am,
me
I
the
said
correct answer.
it's D.
D, okay, no. The D is not the correct answer. Of course, our answer is C, but then let's look at the logic here.
It's actually C. Because A, D, F. First capital, second lowercase, then third capital. Next, first capital, then other two small. Then
But
first
in the
capital, last capital,
options, in the
then
option,
it will be
there
A, M, N. Ma'am,
in the
what
option,
about man? What
See,
about man, ma'am?
wait,
ma'am,
wait.
in the option C, mm, actually we want. He was saying first capital, then small, and then capital. But
There is
then
no.
there is
Huh.
capital, small, and small.
See, what is it? Capital, small, capital. Huh? The right side number is capital is small, capital. Left side
Ma'am.
actually. The right side number is capital is small, small. So we have to tell the right side number because the left is already given to us. These two are related to each other. Right? Left is already given to us. We have to tell the right side number and look at the right side here. Capital is small, small. We want capital is small, small. Capital is small, small. See?
What about man?
Where? Why? Okay. About man, see here. So, the middle letter is becoming capital. The middle letter is becoming capital. Middle letter here was D and D has become capital. So, A was in the middle and now A has become capital. Okay. And then, see the first letter is in the second place now. The first letter will be in the second place now. So, M. The third letter is in the last third place. So, third letter will be in the last, the third place only, but in small. Right, so you can eliminate out these two and then you can choose your correct answer from either B or C. Our answer will be C. Okay, this was alphabet based question. In analogy, we can have alphabet based question. Then we will have analogous pair. Analogous pair is where two words will be given to us. They both will be related to each other. First, we have to find out how are they related and then we have to tell the next letter,
Ma'am, what is
next
the
word.
Ma'am,
word? The
Ma'am, A
logic?
dentist.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
it's dentist. It's dentist.
It is dentist. So what is cardiologist? Our
Ma'am, a person who takes heart surgery.
yes,
Ma'am,
who
or
does
a person who changes the heart into a. Ma'am, tooth
they
is
are
robotic
heart
heart.
specialists. They are cardiologists, meaning heart specialists. They can be surgeon, they can be just, like they will just do diagnosis or something, but they will be heart specialists. Okay? So the one who is heart specialist, these are doctors only. They are doctors. So every doctor are not, do not take everything. Physician does everything. I mean, physician will just check us. They will diagnose. They will write tests for us and everything. But a dentist will do the surgery of teeth. They will check our teeth and like take care of everything. Then the cardiologist, we have these gastroenterologists, who takes care of the stomach and the intestine also. And then there are doctors who take care of the our kidney. Okay, so they all are different. They have names. Okay, cardiologists take care of the heart. So the doctor who takes care of our tooth would be dentist.
I'm sure fourth one is very.
Fourth one is easy. Can you tell me the answer then?
Ma'am, you have to scroll down first.
Yeah, I'll show you all the options. Wait. Yeah. So line
Ma'am,
is
horse table. Horse table. D, ma'am, horse table.
horse.
Ma'am, how can a rat be in the sky, crocodile be in the nest, and tiger be in a burrow?
So you know the answer. I mean, you know that crocodile does not live in nest, or a rat
Ma'am, if
can't.
crocodile lives in a nest, it can't even. First thing, it can't even fit in the nest.
It can't even fit in the nest. Yes, you are right.
But if
But you
there
know
will be
when.
a big nest,
But
but
you
then
know
if
when.
he stays in the tree
Ah,
will only fall the
no, no, no. It's
branch.
like that. So whenever they have to lay eggs, they do make nest. I mean, nesting means they just make a area where they will give the egg. They prepare a area where they will lay the egg. So yeah, but technically, I mean the classical nest.
First
That
one, I know how a rat can live in the sky.
you know,
Ma'am, it can stay in one plane and go in sky only.
but the plane itself does not hang in the air always. It comes down to the land also.
Ma'am, so it will again take passengers, go up, right?
That's just
Ma'am,
option. Let's not.
what if the rat heard the once what he's saying, and then the rat will invent the house aeroplane.
Yeah, so the
Like
rat
there's a
can be.
houseboat.
Ma'am,
Uh-huh.
a tiger is so
Caravan.
big. How would it live in a burrow?
Who?
Ma'am, a tiger is so big. How would it live in a burrow?
Those are just options, you guys. You know that, right? These are just options. So that to help
Ma'am,
all
by
of
the
you
way,
to
I know
answer.
how a tiger can live in a burrow also.
Tiger can never live in a burrow, of course.
Ma'am,
But
it
how
will
will
dig with its claws down, na? Then it will make the burrow big and it can go inside.
a tiger cannot dig a burrow? They
Now, what
only
if
have.
it becomes friends with a dog and dog digs?
Oh, okay. This is some heated, discussion. We'll think about it. So, see, why the tiger has to make friends with the dog? Tiger already has friends with the mouse. I mean, tiger is already friends with mouse. You've heard that
Ma'am,
story?
how can tiger be a friend with mouse?
You've heard that story where the
Ma'am,
mouse came and
a lion is not a mouse. Ma'am, a
not
lion
the
is not
tiger,
tiger.
not the tiger. But okay, the tiger will make friends with the lion, and then the lion will introduce that. Hey, you see, this is
No,
my
ma'am,
friend.
no.
Me.
Oh
That
yeah,
that
ma'am, that
that
story
option
that.
itself.
Different story for that.
That option
Ma'am,
itself
I
does
saw
not
that
make
in
any sense.
Panchatantra stories.
Of course, that's a story. Chalo,
Ma'am,
let's listen.
Ma'am, it's a Panchatantra story. Ma'am,
82. 82. Who is that intelligent kid? Who is giving the answer?
Ma'am, me.
सिद्धांत कहाँ थे आप इतनी देर से? I was calling you out. कहाँ थे आप?
मैम मैं यही था।
यही था तो अच्छा ठीक है, चलो चलो ठीक है, आप वापस आ गए। हाँ हाँ, बताइए क्या कह रहे हैं आप? 82 कैसे
हाँ
सिद्धांत?
82 है इसका आंसर।
कैसे, ये कैसे, कहाँ से पता चला? थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कीजिए प्लीज। प्लीज एक्सप्लेन इट टू अस सिद्धांत।
मैम क्या शर्मा ठीक से बोल ली, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
तो फिर आपने 82 कैसे बोला? आपने एक्सप्लेन तो कीजिए, जब आपने आंसर दिया तो फिर कुछ तो आपका लॉजिक रहा होगा। व्हाट्स योर लॉजिक?
मैम 8 into 6 is 56।
नहीं सिद्धांत, 8 का टेबल रिपीट कीजिए आप। व्हाट इज टेबल ऑफ 8?
मुझे 8 का
मैम 8 into 7 equals to 56.
8 7s are 56.
मैं ठीक से समझ नहीं आ रहा था मुझे,
7s
लेकिन
are 56.
आंसर 80 है।
आपको यहाँ से सी आइदर यू डू टू थिंग्स, या तो you do multiplication to give the answer to this question, or you do division, and I think most of you does not know division yet. And even if you
Ma'am,
have
I also don't know, but I learned it today only.
even if you have learned division, you cannot do division of three numbers here. This is a 3-digit division. I don't think so that all of you have learned it
Ma'am,
yet.
I know 3
Ma'am,
digit.
I know 3 digit also.
Whoever knows 3-digit division, good, great.
Ma'am,
You
I
can
even know
simply
4 digit, ma'am, and 5 digit.
wow, that's
Same,
cool.
my
That's
father
great.
only taught me, ma'am.
Your father
Ma'am,
did.
same, but if we divide with two numbers, then I can do it wrong. But only like, suppose if it's 52 must divide by some 3 or 4 digit
Ah.
number, I
Ah.
can't do it.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. But no, 574 you have to divide by 7. Can you divide it here by 7? So how many times should I take it? I mean, what should I write in the quotient now?
Ma'am, 5 7s like 8.
7. No. 7.
8.
8 are 56 here.
6.
Subtraction 1
1.
and 4,
2.
2. 14. Very good. So yes, our answer is 82. Because 82 7s are is 574. So that was one way. Otherwise, you could have done one more thing. If you don't know division, you use multiplication. So you know these numbers are multiplied by 7, right? 8 7s are. So you multiply all of these numbers by 7. And you check where you are getting 574, right? So 23 7s are will be 161. 574, 97 7s are, that will be 679. And 113 into 7, that would be 791. So you can see I've used multiplication here to give the answer, that is 574. If you don't
56 multiplied by 8, 8 times equals to 56.
no, 8 multiplied by 7 is 56, Vivansh. 8 multiplied by 7 is 56 and 82 multiplied by 7. So we are multiplying both of these numbers. The right side number is being multiplied by 7. The right side numbers of these two pair, these are two pair of numbers. Okay, these are two pair of number. 8 into 7 is 56 and we have to find out a number here which when multiplied by 7 will give 574 and that number is 82. 82 multiplied by 7 is 574. That's what we were supposed to do here. Got it, Vivansh? Yes? Okay. So any of you can you tell me this answer? 2 is to 32 as 5 is to dash.
$65.
Again, no. The first number and the second number, how are they related? How 2 and 32 are related to each other?
Ma'am, they both are even numbers.
No. The logic will never be even numbers. You guys, in number-based questions, the questions they will never give us questions like even number or odd number.
Ma'am,
No.
I guess it's in 2 tables.
It's in table of 2, yes. 32 comes in table of 2. How many times?
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'm dividing. 12 times. 12 times.
No, not 12 to the 24.
Ma'am, 2 22s are.
22 into 2 will be 44.
Ma'am, 16.
16s are. So 2 16s are 32. So you will do 5 16s are. 5 16s are will give you answer. The first number is multiplied by 16 to give the right side, the next number. The left side number multiplied by 16 will give you the right side number. Multiply 5 into 16.
80.
80.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am, 80 only.
Your answer will be 80 here. Sorry, your answer will be not 16 but 80.
Ma'am, why did you keep 16?
I erased it. So this is what it is. You have to find out the relation. Okay. Now the next number is here. And let's do that. 1 is to 30 as 25 is to what?
55?
What is the logic? We don't have 55 here.
Ma'am, because 1 is 30, so 30 more times.
These are not in a pattern. These are not in a sequence. 1 and 30 are related to each other. You have to tell which number will come, which is related to 25 in the same way as 1 and 30. So how 1 and 30 can be related to each other?
I don't understand.
See, 1 and 30 are related to each other. We first have to find out how 1 can become 30. Any idea?
Ma'am, while dividing it, if we divide 1 into 30, it will become 30.
Can that be that 1 plus 29? 1
yeah.
plus 29 is 30. If
Ma'am,
1
then 1 plus 24.
25 plus 29 only. We have added 29 in the first pair of numbers and we will add 29 in the second pair of number also. 25 is given to you, add 29 to it.
54, it's 54.
Your answer should be 54. Right? You see, the relationship is 1 plus 29, that is 30. Similarly, 25 plus 29, 54. Next one are non-verbal reasoning questions. Select the related figure from the given alternative. These two are related to each other. How?
A. Ma'am, A.
Okay, can you please tell me what is the logic here? How are these
Ma'am,
two?
so the arrow becomes
Ma'am,
different.
the arrow became
different.
different cells. So,
There is a one
ma'am,
word
not A.
answer
Ma'am,
to it.
not A. Ma'am, not A. Ma'am, not A. Ma'am, not A. Ma'am, A only.
There is a one word answer to it. Mirror image. They both
Ma'am.
are mirror images. A1 only. Yes, your answer will be A1.
Ma'am, triangle Pac-Man.
Triangle what?
Pac-Man.
No.
A.
Okay. These both are mirror images. Simple thing.
Ma'am,
No
that's what I
mirror
said. I was saying mirror image while everyone was shouting, ma'am.
Oh. I couldn't hear even M. Hello. So fine. So they both are mirror images and you can see we have to tell the mirror image of this one. The
A.
C figure. So yes, A1 will be your answer. You can see here. Option
Ma'am,
is the
is there even a reasoning Olympiad?
reasoning Olympiad is not separate, but reasoning is a part in maths and science both. In your maths Olympiad and reasoning, the first part will be of reasoning questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Maths and science Olympiad, they
Ma'am, in
will give
my
you
science
starting from
Olympiad,
questions.
I got all the reasoning questions correct.
Oh wow, that's so cool. That's great, Ishani.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I guess Ishani just copied from her science Olympiad. And she said,
How can she do that?
ma'am, she just said that she did in science Olympiad all questions and reasoning correct.
Yeah, but
Ma'am,
how did she copy it? Does not make it.
sorry, I didn't even take my
Ma'am, Uttar
reasoning.
Pradesh. Ma'am, Uttar Pradesh.
Yes. Next question. Mumbai is to
How,
Maharashtra.
ma'am?
The same way Lucknow is related to what? So actually,
Ma'am,
Mumbai is the
how?
capital city of the state Maharashtra. Mumbai is
Ma'am,
the capital city.
Ma'am, dear, I was born in Uttar Pradesh and I have stayed in Mumbai for 7 years.
Oh, You were born in UP.
Yes, ma'am.
That means your native is in UP.
You stayed for
Yes,
7
ma'am, my
years and I
grandparents.
am 7 years.
Okay. So the Lucknow is actually the
Ma'am, I
capital
was
city of UP.
Ma'am, I was in Bangalore.
Of course, you are from South India, right, Vivansh?
Yes, ma'am, I was born in India and I was born in Telangana and I stayed in Telangana. Same.
Ma'am,
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 necklace. A.
necklace, yeah. Hand
Ma'am,
on
A.
hand.
Ma'am, A.
Where is Naisha? Naisha, are you giving answers? Say loudly, huh? So rest of the students are also shouting. I can't hear
It's
you
A.
loudly. It's A. Yes, of course. It is A. Siddhant, क्या बात है? Answer दीजिए please. Third question. 22 is to 10 as 36 is to what?
48. $16.
How? What is the logic?
ma'am,
See, if
17.
you are choosing any option, please give me logic.
Ma'am, I don't think I can do this one. It's kind
You
of hard.
can do that. You can do.
So what does one dot mean?
One dot. Where is one dot?
Ma'am, after 3.
Ma'am, 18 because imagination. Ma'am, 18 because 22 minus 10, no, 22 and 10 have the relation between 18. And 36 minus 18 is 18.
Hmm.
Is it?
22 and 10 should have the same relation as 36 and the next number here. So if you are subtracting 22 minus 10, that would be 12.
18.
22 minus 10, how 18?
Oh, yeah. Ma'am,
That means,
17.
huh?
Ma'am, but the answer is 18.
No, wait a minute. Why 18?
It's 17.
17. Reyansh, give me the logic.
Ma'am, I don't know the logic.
We cannot mark our answer.
Ma'am, he's giving random answers. I guess.
Yeah, yes. I know. All of you are giving random answers only. So you need to
I'm
have some
trying to think, and I did not
think.
even say an answer because I'm trying
Okay.
to think.
Think.
Ma'am, 17.
कैसे? Siddhant,
Ma'am,
if
just
you are
tell what does one dot mean?
where is one dot?
Ma'am, after 3.
After 3, where do you see one dot? Oh,
Ma'am,
that's nothing. This is just the bullet. This is just the bullet. Is to separate the serial number by with the question. So
Ma'am,
it does not mean anything here.
22 का हाफ करेंगे तो 11 आएगा, उसमें 1 माइनस करेंगे तो 10 आएगा, 36 का हाफ करेंगे तो 18 आएगा, 18 में से 1 गया तो 17 आएगा.
ये हुआ ना logic. That's what I want. Yes, you are right, Siddhant. That is the logic. That is the logic. But then the logic we have used here is different. Logic ये है, that is 22 from 10. How did we got 22 from 10? So 10 multiplied by 2 and then adding 2 to it. 10 multiplied by 2. So 10 into 2 plus 2 to it. 10 into 2 plus 2 to it. 10 2s are 20 plus 2, 22. 10 into 2, Bodmas rule. 10 into 2, 20 plus 2, 22. Same thing. Which number will you multiply by 2 and then add 2 to it? That will give you 36 here. Right? So that is 17. 17 into 2 plus 2 to it. 17 into 2 is 34 plus 2, 36. That was the logic here. But anyway, Siddhant, आपका भी logic सही है. Actually, आपने किया same चीज है. ठीक है? So we need to have some logic before answering. Otherwise, almost every time we will get the answers wrong. So we will have some 2 to 3 minutes break and we will be back then.
Ma'am, it's actually 5 minutes, right?
You come back in 2 minutes.
Ma'am, when
Okay.
should the break end?
Okay,
Which time?
so it is 35 now. You be back at
40.
38.
Hmm.
Hello, ठीक है,
Okay,
be
ma'am,
back
we
at
are
40.
going.
No, be
Ma'am,
back at 40.
38 or 40?
Okay, be back at 40. I thought to give you only 3 minute break, but okay, you will be back at 40. Be back at 40. We are back, all of you. It's 40 already.
Ma'am, I knew it.
You knew what?
Ma'am, I saw it from my clock and I saw it was 3:40. I thought of keeping it in the chat.
Okay. Hello. Now, so we are moving on to the exercise questions. All of you are back. Naisha, are you there? Ishani, Rayansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Looking at the first question here, all of you.
Ma'am, C.
So BM is related to HS. We have to tell if BM is related to CH,
Ma'am, it is C.
HS,
Ma'am, it is.
how will
Ma'am,
CH?
it is C.
It's
Ma'am,
C.
it's C.
Give me the logic.
Ma'am, the logic is
Hmm.
B is six, after 6 times it will become H. So C after 6 times it will become I. So after M,
The mic is off.
ma'am, so 5 times uh, 5 times M will become S. So L 5 times is R. So A is the answer.
Not 5 times, but adding 5. So M is the 13th letter. 13 plus 5 is 18.
18.
18 is the number equivalent of which number? Eighteen is number equivalent of which number? Which letter? 18? 18 is number equivalent of
Ma'am, it's
R.
IS. Ma'am, it's Q. Ma'am, it is IR.
IR.
It's IS. Ma'am, it is IR. Ma'am,
B
IR.
is
Ma'am,
2.
IS. Ma'am, IR.
M is,
Ma'am, IS.
hold on. M is
IR.
13. B plus 5. B plus 5. Did you say that? Explain it to me again. What did you say? B is 2 and then 2
Ma'am,
plus how much will you add to get H?
5 to get H.
So, but H is 8. H is the 8th letter. You will add 6 here to get H. M is your 13th letter. You will add 6, right? 13 plus 6, that would be 19.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And S is 19. C and L. C
Ma'am,
is
so
your
it's IR.
first letter plus 6. So that would be I, 9. And then L is your 12th letter.
Ma'am, so we eliminate B and D and C. So A will be the answer.
You will eliminate B and D and you see L 12 plus 16, that would be 18. 18 is for R. So you can see what will be your answer.
So we'll eliminate IS also and it will become IR.
Yes. You don't have to eliminate now, right? Because we have already got the answer.
And next one is vegetable A. Third one, ma'am.
Next one, M is to N as
A.
B is to B is to. You
Third
don't
one
have
is
A here.
Ma'am D.
Which
Ma'am D.
option D?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, should I tell why?
Tell Ishani.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, one.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's actually B.
B. Option B. Right? Yes. A B C D E F G H I J K L M. These are 13 letters. The first 13 letters. The last 13 letters are like the next 13 letters are N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. M and N, they both are 13th letter. M from the starting and from the ending. Okay. And so B and Z, B and Y, they both will be same. B is a second letter from the starting and Y is a second letter from the ending, from the right hand side. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So these are called reverse equivalence. Reverse equivalence. Okay. Next question. Tulip is to flower as avocado is to
Vegetable. Ma'am, vegetable.
yes. Oh,
Vegetable.
avocado is not a vegetable.
Ma'am, fruit. That's actually a fruit.
Yes,
Ma'am, fruit.
that will be fruit.
Fruit.
Yes. Next one. Tuna is to fish as pulsar is to.
Ma'am, bird.
Mammal. Bird.
But
Bird.
someone
Bird.
said
Yes,
mammal
ma'am,
also.
bird.
Vulture is a bird. Vulture is a bird which is like those are also called as scavengers because they eat the dead remaining. They eat dead remains.
Ma'am, there.
They eat dead remains. 5 numbers. 12 is to 37 as 15 is to
Ma'am, 46. Ma'am, 46.
Ma'am, 46.
Ma'am, 46.
tell me the logic. Tell me the logic. Tell me the logic, please.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer.
So all of you who is giving option 46, option 2, tell me the logic.
Ma'am, I did not give the option 46.
No, you did not. But whoever gave the answer, please tell me.
Ma'am, I think I was going to say how 46, but I mistakenly said 46.
That's a Naisa. Naisa, you also said 46. Tell how 46?
Ma'am, 46 because 12 into 2 equals to 24
12 into
plus
no, don't do 12 into 2. Rather do 12 into 3.
That will
12
be
into
39.
3 equals to 36 plus 1 equals to 37 and 15 into 3 equals to 45 plus 1 46.
Very good. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. So the logic that Naisha is saying is that we are multiplying 12 3 times. That could be 36, and adding 1 to it is giving us 37. We will do the same thing for 15. Multiply 15 3 times, and then that would be 45, and we'll add 1 to it. That will give us 46. So yes, Naisha, very good. Excellent. So when you will give the test, or whenever you are doing the Olympiad also, or whenever you are solving the question also, just do some trial. Just do some trial and error. Just check. So first of all, you thought that, okay, maybe this is a logic. Try it. Try to see if it is fitting in or not. If not, then check some other way. Moving on to question number 6. 10, 90 is to 9 is to what? 10 is to 90 as 9 is to what?
It should be 81, but
Okay, how 81?
Ma'am,
Why?
10 and
ma'am, it should be 81 because ma'am 10 into 9 goes to 90, so 9 into 9 should
ma'am,
be.
that's what I was going to say.
So that means something, some other logic is there then. You are doing it right. I mean, you're not doing it right.
Ma'am, it's 100, it's 100.
No. How? Okay. That would be, see, in your exam also you will think that, okay, this maybe is the correct one. I mean, this maybe is the way. But no, that's not correct here.
Ma'am, 80 plus 9, 80 plus 10 is 90.
Okay, try this one. I'm giving you the logic. 10 into 10, 100 minus 10. Do the same thing for 9.
Ma'am, it's 80, it should be 80.
No. How 80?
Ma'am, the answer is 19.
See, gave you the logic, still you are not giving me the answer.
Ma'am,
See
it's
what I have
9
written.
into 9 is 90.
9 into 9 is 81.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
9
is
into 10.
71.
Yes, Naisha, you are right. So we
Yes,
are
ma'am, I
doing
was going to say 71.
we are doing 9 into 9, that is 81, and minus 10, that is 71. Okay. Question number 7.
We are already done, ma'am. Ma'am, stable. Ma'am, stable. Stable.
Ma'am,
Stable.
stable.
Double, yes.
Ma'am, why
We just
ma'am,
done
why
it,
that sky has
but
come
in
again?
a different way. We just had done it. We just
Yes.
done it, but in a
There was
different way.
there was not figure but words. Right here we have figure. Tell me here. It's actually hen, not den.
Ma'am, it's actually a bear, right?
Yes, it's a bear.
Ma'am, bear.
Ma'am, bear. But
Where is
Ma'am,
bear in
mare.
Austin?
Ma'am,
ma'am, it's a mare. Mare.
Ma'am, it's a mare.
Mare.
Ma'am,
Mare is horse. Mare is horse.
Ma'am, it's not a mare. Ma'am, it's a sow.
Yes, ma'am, it's a so.
How it's how? Okay, give me the logic, all of you.
Ma'am, because we told it can't be a cow, it can't be a lioness.
Ah.
So, and you told it can't be a mare, and then it's just so.
Yes, you are right. But actually, so there you gave the answer by eliminating the option, which is again it's a good technique. But actually, the actual explanation is that the hen is actually not. This is not hen, right? This is a rooster. This is a rooster. The female of rooster is hen. Bear is the
Ma'am,
male.
I said so the first.
The female bear
Ma'am,
is.
I also said, ma'am, first I said so. Then everyone was like,
No, ma'am, first I said, ma'am, first
We
I
couldn't
said.
hear. We couldn't hear. We want.
Ma'am, I said, ma'am.
first
Ma'am, I
they
said.
You all gave the answer only when I confirmed it will not be mayor. Okay? So fine. Now you know that.
I was saying, mare, then I said, so said.
Okay, what is so? But Vivansh, what is so? Can you please tell me? What is a so? Tell Vivansh.
Ma'am, a so is a female of a bear.
Okay. Yes. So,
So I said
okay.
so first.
You gave then. Tell me here. Bhopal is related
it's
to
D. It's
Chandigarh.
Haryana.
Ma'am, D Haryana.
Ma'am, D Haryana.
Ma'am, Haryana.
Ma'am, I don't know the logic between all these.
If you have not learned capitals yet of Indian states, when you will
Ma'am,
learn, you will
how
understand.
is Chandigarh should be? Ma'am, Haryana.
What do you see? Can you see it, Riyan? Can you see my screen?
Chandigarh.
Can you see my screen? Chandigarh
Yes,
is capital of Haryana. Okay, chalo. So moving on.
ma'am, 10.
Moving to the next question. 10th number. K is related to V as C will be related to which of these?
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Why?
Ma'am, I'm getting it like ma'am, there are noises coming.
K is related to V as C will be related to which of these?
Ma'am, I don't know.
What is the number equivalent of K? Or like what is the serial number of K? That is 11. What is for V? It's 22. For C is 3. So it should be related to
B1.
B, ma'am, it's B. It's B. B.
B. How?
B, 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 B.
How? Give me the logic.
Ma'am, 11 more. Ma'am, we'll need 3 more.
3 more. How 11? Listen to me. Listen to me. 11, 22. What can be the relation between 11 and 22?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, I am the logic. Ma'am, same. Ma'am, K is 11 and 11 into 2 is 22. So for same case, C is 3. So 3 into 2 is 6. So ma'am, 6 is F.
Ah, that is a logic. That 6 is actually the number equivalent of F letter. So yes, your answer will be option 2. For that reason, I needed the logic, all of you.
Ma'am, I told first.
Yes, you did,
Yes.
Siddhant. Even Naisha also gave the answer. 11 number question, please. 14 is to 35 and 12 will be. Naisha, which one? Repeat again.
C.
See, can you please give the explanation?
I'm yes.
Hmm. So how are
Ma'am, it
14 and
is
30?
like 14, 14 into 12.
33. 33. 33.
How, Vivansh? How 33? Explain it to me, please.
Ma'am, like, ma'am, 14 into 2 equals to 28 plus 7 uh, equals to 35.
Hmm.
Then 12 into 20, 12 into 2 equals to 24 plus 7.
Is not 33, 31. So that 31 is not here. That means that logic is not well fit here. Any other idea?
No,
Anyone else? Vivansh, you are saying option C. Can you please explain?
Ma'am, because 14 is there with 12.
14 and 12 have no relation with each other.
Ma'am, so
14
actually
and 35 are
14
related.
with 35 is there.
Okay, yes, 14
So-
with 35.
12 is there.
Huh?
So I thought it should be two times lesser because 12 is 2 times lesser than 14. So the answer will be 2 times lesser than 35. So 33 is the answer.
Okay, no, okay, fine. But the logic is not fine. Logic is not correct. You cannot use that logic. These numbers have no relation with 12 will be related to only the next number and 14 is only related to 35. They don't have intercrossing. I mean, they don't have relation with each other. All the numbers are not related. Only 14 is related to 35. So 35 minus 14, how much?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
21.
It is 33 because 1 is there. So we add 2 more for 1. So it will become 3.
No, there is no logic like that. You see, the logic is that 35 minus 14 is 21. So the second number is 21 more than the first number. The second number here, 35, is 21 more than the first number. The second number should be 21 more than 12. The second number should be 21 more than 12. 21 more than 12 will be 12, 21, 33 for that reason. That's the logic. Okay, next. Agra is to
Ma'am, New
Taj
Delhi.
Mahal.
New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Qutub Minar is in New Delhi. Moon is to satellite as Earth is to,
Planet.
of course. Next. Forecast is to future as regret is to. Forecast or actually means to tell the future. Forecast. You are telling the beforehand. You are telling
Since.
Ma'am, since.
past. You regret the past. You forecast the future. What do? We forecast the future. So regret, we regret the past. Whatever happens has happened in past, or whatever mistake has happened, or anything. I may be regretting that. That oh, why did that happen like that? Okay, that will be past. We regret the past. We forecast the future.
Ma'am, next one is
Forecast means
techniques.
bhavishwani.
Yes,
Okay. Influenza is to virus as typhoid is to
Parasite.
Ma'am. Bacteria.
bacteria.
Huh?
Typhoid is caused by bacteria. Salmonella typhimurium. The bacteria's name is Salmonella.
Ma'am, I never heard about typhoid.
You never heard about typhoid? Typhoid is caused due to have because of having like dirty water, contaminated water, or contaminated food. Okay,
Cytosia.
Salmonella typhimurium. This is the bacteria which causes typhoid. Typhoid fever actually. The body temperature is very high in typhoid. Salmonella typhimurium. Next. So yes, your answer will be bacteria, all of you. 16
Panic.
to threat.
Panic.
Panic.
Ma'am, how could it be provocation?
Okay, what is provocation? So we fear the threat.
Provocation.
We fear the threat.
Provocation.
It's if anyone gives a threat or
D,
like
D, ma'am.
harms
It's
you,
D. Force.
we fear the threat.
Ma'am,
So
it's
when
D
do we
for
get angry? Whenever
force.
we feel
Ma'am,
threat, we
provocation.
fear.
D, ma'am.
Yes, your answer
Ma'am,
is
provocation.
provocation.
Huh? Ma'am, what is
Ma'am, but I
Provo-
heard provocation is a task.
Provocation is not a task. Provocation.
Ma'am, but in our
Provo-
school, provocation is some like
Okay,
first.
what do you
any
do in provocation?
In in our school,
Huh?
they don't give exams until 6th grade.
Okay, you are in IB. Where do you live, Ishani?
Hyderabad, Telangana.
Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad.
Ma'am,
What
I
do you do
didn't
in
choose
provocation?
IB.
Ma'am, ice.
They are the only option till what do you call nursery to
17A,
5th
ma'am.
grade is only IB. From 6th we have options.
IB,
Okay.
CBSE and more.
Provocation here means to provoke, provocate. Provoke means to किसी को भड़काना or like making them to get angry like that. Suppose your mom asked you to, hey, don't do that like that, and you are again repeating that activity. So your mom will be provocated, and then she will get angry.
Okay, ma'am.
Melt is to liquid as freeze is to
Ma'am, ice, 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 ice.
Ma'am,
Ice.
solid. Ma'am,
Ice.
solid. Solid.
if something melts, it becomes
Ma'am,
liquid.
how can I do this when I on my video?
Ma'am, something
Then
freezes it
something
becomes to
melts.
ice.
If something melts, it
Ma'am,
become liquid.
how can I do this?
It's okay, Vivansh. It's okay. It's okay. Just concentrate on the questions here.
Solid.
If someone freezes, it becomes solid. Your answer will be solid here. 18 number
Some
is related to time as thermometer is to
temperature.
Ma'am, temperature D.
temperature.
Temperature.
Ma'am, D temperature.
Muslim is to mosque as Sikh is to
Ma'am, Gurudwara.
Sikh goes to Gurudwara for prayer. Right?
Ma'am, I said person knowledge is things good. D.
Ma'am, 20. Ma'am, 20 is
Horse.
Horse. Hoof is the body part or hoof is the foot of the horse, like the feet, like this, right? Horse's feet, the feet of a horse, like this. Okay? So this is the end part of the horse feet. That is hoof. So yes, and that ends our exercise question also.
in the
Mhm.
first. How can I do this when I switch on my camera?
What can you do? What do you want to do? Remove your hand, please, from the camera. Whatever you have put on the camera, remove it, please. I
Ma'am,
think
I
you have
removed it.
covered something on your camera.
Ma'am, I did not keep anything on my camera.
Okay, I don't know. Then there must be some problem, technical problem with your camera.
Ma'am,
What
see
did
that
you
I'm
do
not
then?
even using my
Vivaan?
hand.
What were you doing then?
Ma'am, the camera is there.
Hmm.
I'm using my laptop, right?
Hmm.
For camera that we can do like this to block camera, right?
Oh,
I did that. Ma'am, there's some button to do it like this.
I don't have any button there. On
Ma'am,
my-
but I have one. Ma'am, there's a not in the laptop's key
on
something.
tab.
Yeah, there's in the screen. Ma'am,
Mhm.
see, ma'am. I'm half of that. There's something called a circle.
Oh, fine, yeah.
Ma'am, see, ma'am, I'm half.
Why are we using our brain there in how to hide the camera? Concentrate on your questions, all of you.
Ma'am, see, now I'm gone.
Okay, fine then. So we'll meet tomorrow, and we have done the discussion and everything. Please be concentrated in class. All of you are so much.
Ma'am, we still have lot of time.
So what would you wish to do
Ma'am,
with
we
that
could
time?
talk.
We can
And
talk.
tomorrow
Okay, let's talk.
test.
Tomorrow is not test.
Bye, ma'am.
Siddhant will have test after 1 or 2 more classes. Yeah, tell me about the Diwali preparations, all of you.
Ma'am, is next class holiday?
Yeah, I think so. You will get the message, information.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because
can I
math
leave?
class is already holiday.
Math class is
Ma'am,
already.
but if ma'am, they could.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Okay, Ryan, you may leave. I'll see you tomorrow. Ryan.
Why? Ma'am, can
We
I
have to go
also leave?
somewhere. So well, now that everyone is leaving, let's leave the class itself. I mean, let's wrap up the class, then I will meet tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, bye-bye. See you
Bye, ma'am.
tomorrow.
Ma'am, I can't come tomorrow. Ma'am, happy Diwali
Why?
holiday.
No,
Ma'am,
tomorrow
happy
we have
Diwali.
class. We want. Tomorrow we have class. We want.
Ma'am, happy Diwali.
No,
Ma'am,
no,
I
we
can't
want
come
to-
tomorrow for the class.
Okay, why? You have to go to
Ma'am,
the dance
happy
class?
Diwali. Ma'am,
We,
I have to
we
go
are
for
coming
somewhere.
tomorrow.
I have to go for shopping.
Okay,
all.
fine. You do
Bye,
your
ma'am.
job. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, Naita. But we are meeting tomorrow also. Bye-bye.